How to upload high-quality videos to Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view Facebook posts and pages. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Then, tap on Settings. Here, go to the Preferences section. Tap on Media. Here, go to the Video Quality section and tap on Optimized. This option adjusts videos to network conditions. Now, go back to your Facebook homepage. Tap on the status box at the top. Then, tap on Photo or Video. From here, select any video from your camera roll. Then, tap on Next below. Now, tap on Post at the top right corner. You have now successfully posted this video. Tap on the video to view its quality. Following these steps, you can easily upload high-quality videos to Facebook.